Hi everyone, it's Hallie. So I'm in the throes of moving into a new home. So from here on out, you will see a different, new, and exciting background. I wanted to share this AJC article with you about this new trend of hacker schools. It's basically where students can learn to write computer code, but do so very quickly in a short period of time in order to get into the industry much faster or get their foot in the door. And I think these are a great idea, especially where the local economy, like Atlanta, demands it. But I want you to keep in mind three things, guys, before you make a decision whether this is the right thing for you to do. So first of all, you need to understand whether the economy where you are located currently or where you're thinking about moving to demands it. In Atlanta, it makes sense because that's the case. But in another location where, for example, construction is the main driver or the main industry, it's not going to make as much sense. So consider that first. The second thing you need to consider is this within your skill set and your interest level? Is this something that will keep your interest long term? Is it a career path you want to pursue long term? And do you have a natural inclination for it? Because if you go there and you're not good at it, it's not going to work. And third, you need to set your expectations correctly. Remember, this is not a four-year degree. Fully understand what the school is providing you. It's a way to get your foot in the door, it's a way to get into an industry quickly, but it's something that could build upon other education if that's applicable for you. So keep in mind, either way, set your expectations clearly and make sure that you choose a reputable school. Research them online, talk to people who have gone there, read reviews about them as well to make sure that when you get out, you will be able to get a job. I hope this is helpful for you. Have a great day.